Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to show you the white lines going in on the Southern Coastal Highway. So that machine, that small machine you see up there, is what puts the white lines on the road. There you can see them painting the white lines. Now you believe it's this easy? A special machine, as you can see, is what paints the lines. The machine doesn't have to stop. You just drive and it paints it. So you have to ask yourself a question. If it's so easy to do, why are so many roads in Jamaica without the white line? When you go into the residential areas, the community roads, even the main roads, especially on the south coast, they don't have the white lines. Now the white line is in the middle of the road already, and they're putting a line on the side. Why? If it's so easy? It's not people painting the road by hand, it's machines. Why is it so hard? Why are so many roads without the white line? And I'm not sure if they're going to, but I think they will. They need to put reflectors in the road, especially for areas that don't have street lights. Now the Maypen to Mandeville leg, or the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000 recently opened. It has the white lines, but in addition to the white lines, it has reflectors in the road. So when you drive at night on that road, you don't have a problem. So I think they should put reflectors in this road as well. And I'm not saying that it's not part of the plan. I'm not sure, but I think it should be. Maybe they have plans to do it. I'm not sure. And right there where you see that space, look to the right, the space between the Jersey barriers. If you look straight ahead, you'll see it. They're going to put street lights on this road. Street lights are going on this road from Harborview to Albion, to Yalos. This will be one of the nicest roads in Jamaica. I mean, again, look at how easy it is to put in these white lines. I am shocked, and I don't know how much this machine cost, but it's not that big. I just can't understand why these roads don't have the lines. Look at how easy it is. When I say these roads, I mean a lot of the residential roads and a lot of the main roads, especially on the south coast. So guys, if you have any idea or any thoughts as to why so many roads don't have the white line, leave the comments in the section below. I mean, just look at the machine putting in the white line. You wouldn't believe it's so easy. Yet so many roads are without the white line in Jamaica. This is actually the section of the highway by Grandspen. So as we continue up, we're heading towards Grandspen, coming from Albion or Yalos. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. And leave your comments in the section below. Are you as surprised as I am that it's so simple to put in the white lines? And 2, why don't the roads in Jamaica have the white lines? Look at how easy it is. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.